Hello and welcome to my channel Crafting with me, Indiana Jones, and welcome to another opportunity to create something new. And today I am creating my own leather purse. That's right, it's going to be my own handmade leather purse, and it's easier than you think. So forget about buying those fake leather purses that you see around. Make your own, and you know that it's going to be hand sewn with all the love and care that you can bring. Recently, I had the opportunity to create my own Babylon leather purse. When I went onto their site, there were so many purses to choose from, and of those purses that you like, there are so many colors. And I was in between these three colors, but I finally decided on the red. Now, here's all the information you need is right here in this small brochure. Now, there are instructions, and all you have to do is use the QR codes so that you can link directly to the purse of your selection. As you can see here, there are 2 QR codes, and there's all of the materials that you will need. There's nothing that is needed in addition to what is in this box, so you can get started right away. Upon opening your Babylon leather purse kit, you'll really notice how incredibly great the quality is for this purse. The materials are so well cut. All of the materials, they have the zippers, the inside pouch, everything you need to create a high quality, high end purse. And like I said before, that smell of absolutely new leather is amazing. And the fact that you're going to be able to create something that you can use all throughout the year, it really is inspiring. So let's get started. First, the most important thing I like to do is lay out all of my materials so I know exactly what I have to get started. And since the instructions are so easy to find, that's the first thing I'm going to do actually. Watch all of the instructions from beginning to end just to get an understanding of what are the steps that you should follow. The videos are not very long, and you can slow them down or speed them up as you need. Here I am using the same exact video on my phone while I get my bearings to start adding all of the materials that I need to put together this purse. Now, some areas are hard, and they do give you a little clip so that you can clip together your materials, because here I had three layers of leather that I had to go through. And yes, although I was pulling hard, I was trying to make sure that I started with a very strong stitch. And this is a double stitch. I don't know if that's the exact name for this type of stitch. Basically, I'm using 2 different needles, and you can see I had to use a little bit of strength there to pull the second needle through, but it's 2 needles that I am using simultaneously, so it's almost as if you're doing a double stitch, and it's a lock stitch, so you lock each and every stitch, and it creates such a very strong bond. Now here you can see that I've already added my purse handles, and now I'm going to continue creating the bottom of my purse. Now, if you recall, last year I used Babylon leather to also create a mini Kelly purse for myself, and I really enjoyed the process. It does require some time and patience, but once you master the different stitches, this is another cross. It's a cross stitch. I'm sorry, it's another stitch, and it's called a cross stitch because I'm joining the 2 pieces of the purse, 2 sides of the purse at the bottom, and is also going to be reinforced inside of the purse itself. But it's really easy to follow the instructions, and you really won't lose yourself. And if you do, all you have to do is go back to the video, look at it again, and just take your time. There's no rush. This is a purse that you're creating for yourself. This is a fantastic idea for a Valentine's Day gift. So gentlemen, if you're watching, why don't you create a nice leather purse for your wife? Or wives, if you're out there, or girlfriends, you can also create a nice leather belt or wallet for your significant other. I think it's a wonderful idea for something that's going to be long lasting, and especially when it's this high quality leather, it is going to last for a while. Now, I don't usually spend a lot of money on purses for myself. I usually just give in to getting something that I find at the thrift store. So it's very, very seldom that I have a brand new, spanking new purse just for me, unless it's gifted to me. So I was more than excited to get started on this purse as I start the new year. And I've always wanted a very classy red purse, and this is just perfect for work or play, going out, going shopping. It's just the perfect purse style for me. Now they have hundreds of styles and colors for you to choose from, so you can get started on something that really inspires you and something that would be perfect to add to your accessories in your closet. But this won't stay in your closet, believe you me. You will be so proud after you create this that you will have it with you each and every day. Now, I didn't go through all the steps, but here I am going to add the inner zipper. Now, this is something I hadn't done before, so it was a little bit challenging, but once I got started, and like I said before, the difficulty is getting through all of the leather level, but it's still easy enough for me to get through. I just had to watch the video and make sure that I was doing everything correctly, but here you can see that I'm passing through the stitches to be able to adhere or to add the inside pouch. Yes, this even has an inside pouch, but as complicated as it seemed, once I got started, it was very, very easy to add the additional pouch inside. Now this is very easy even if you've never sewn before. Now I'm going to add a zipper, a closure. So I also, at first when I saw this, I was a little bit like, I was a little scared, but believe me, after I watched the video a couple of times and as I continued to refer to the video to make sure that I was adding everything correctly, it was no problem at all. And here I'm just going to exemplify the double stitch. Here I have the 2 needles and they're joined on either end with the needles, and you can see they're very big needles. Now you don't have to worry about poking the holes yourself because the holes are already developed. This was such a nice process, and especially with the nice weather, there are many phases that you see or many steps that you see that I skipped because I actually sat on my front stoop and enjoyed crafting outdoors, creating my own leather purse. From the first to the last, I really did enjoy stitching together and creating my own purse. And this really is a very high-end looking purse, so much so that when I went back to work this past week, everyone was very impressed not only with the style of purse I chose, but the fact that I had created it myself. Of course, gave them a buzz. They were asking all sorts of questions. And of course, they were wondering if I was doing leather working and can I create one for them as well. Now, the best way to inspire somebody else to create something is to showcase it. So I hope this was a good showcase for you to get inspired to maybe try this out. If you ever wanted to try leather working, this is the best way to get started. And again, they have all different types of products, from purses to belts to wallets, and you can decide which is best for you. Not only did they send me the purse, but they also sent me accessories, little keychain to adorn my purse, and also these wonderful silk scarves to add to my handles because that's the in thing, I suppose. And I love the colors that they chose. I might have to get the same purse in green because I love the forest green or the light blue. I really was brokenhearted I couldn't have all 3, but maybe in the future I might create some more of these purses. So again, I have all the information in the description down below so that you can showcase and create your own beautiful Babylon leather purse. And I don't know, maybe have this as a wonderful gift for yourself for this Valentine's Day. Thanks again for stopping by, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for even more crafting fun. As always, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure, and I'll see you again very, very soon.